Have you ever wanted to send a promotional WhatsApp messages to hundreds or even thousands of customers without manually messaging each one? So doing this individually can take a lot of time, but with the right setup, you can create a WhatsApp broadcast campaign, personalize your messages, schedule them, and track the results all without writing a single line of code. So in this video, I will show you how you can create your first WhatsApp broadcast campaign using Pabbly Chatflow step by step. But before we start, let me show you this WhatsApp broadcast which I have sent to my customers. So right here you can see that this is the template message which I have created for scheduling a WhatsApp broadcast to my customers. So now we are going to create this for your whatever business you are running. And no worries, you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating this WhatsApp broadcast for your customers. So now let's see how you can create and manage your first WhatsApp broadcast campaigns. So now here open the browser and go through the Pabbly Chatflow website. And for that you have to type its URL, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and here we are on the landing page of Pabbly where you have to sign up your account. So if you are a new user, then you have to sign up for free, and Pabbly Chatflow is currently offering you 100 free credits. Means you can create and test this WhatsApp broadcast for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. And if you are an existing user, then you just have to sign in. And if you like this automation and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I'm going to provide you an amazing discount coupon code, that is STUYT, providing you a huge discount. You might get some other coupon codes as well, providing you only 5% off. But by using my coupon code, you can get up to 6% off on your purchase. Now let's move on towards the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow. And once you are inside the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard, make sure that your WhatsApp number is connected. I have already connected my WhatsApp number here. If you haven't connected your WhatsApp number yet, you can follow the WhatsApp step tutorial available on the dashboard or check the video link in the description. Now once your WhatsApp number is connected, we are ready to create our first broadcast. So from the left hand menu, go to the broadcast section. Here click on add broadcast. Now the first thing we need to do is to select the WhatsApp broadcast type. So here I'm going to select it as broadcast campaign, and now the next thing we have to do is to provide the broadcast name. So here I'm going to enter the name as special offers. And once the name is added, we can move on to selecting our audience to whom we want to send this WhatsApp broadcast. So from here you can select your existing contact list which you have created inside Pabbly Chatflow. So for creating a contact list, you just have to go towards the contacts given over the sidebar. And here we are on the contacts page, where for creating your own contact list, you simply have to select this button, and here you can provide all the details and can create your own contact list. And here I already have a contact list, that is leads list, having one contact, that is my contact. So here I'm going to select it, and you can select multiple contact list as well. And if your contacts are stored in a CSV file, you can also upload the file directly here. And here I have selected my contact list. And for this campaign, make sure that the contacts you are selecting are appropriate for the offers you are sending and have opted in to receive your WhatsApp communication. And once we have selected our audience, we can move to the exclusion options. So here Pabbly Chatflow allows you to exclude specific contacts or audience from your broadcast. For example, if there's a particular contact list that shouldn't receive this offer, you can exclude that contact list by selecting it here like this. And now this contact list will not receive this WhatsApp broadcast. And if you want any specific contact to not receive this WhatsApp broadcast, then you can even select it from here as well. So from here you can exclude an individual contact. Now, another useful option is to exclude contacts who are currently in an active 24-hour conversation window. This can help you avoid sending a separate broadcast message to a customer you're already actively communicating with. So if you want to use this option, then you simply have to enable or activate it. And once our audience is configured, let's select the message we want to send. So here you can either select your message type as regular message. So as I have selected it, we are getting this option for selecting the regular message type. And now as you will type it, let's say I'm going to type this message, and here you can see the preview of your regular message which you can broadcast for your customers. But right now I'm going to send pre-approved template message. So for creating your own WhatsApp templates, you just have to select it from the sidebar, and from the left hand menu I have selected this template section, and right here I'm on this page. Now let me show you the template message which I'm going to send to my users. So here you can see that this is the template message which I'm going to send to my users or the customers. So you can also create a template like this by simply selecting this add template, and once the template has been submitted and approved by Meta, you can select it from here and use it for your broadcast. And now let me select my template message. So here I'm going to select the WhatsApp template. So right here I'm going to select this template, and now we have to upload the image. So here I'm going to upload the image for this particular template. So here I'm selecting this image. Now let's click over this button. That is done, and here you can see that a template message has been added successfully. Now let me show you how you can send a test message to see whether you are sending right template or not. So for that you have to provide the contact's name, and here you can enter your WhatsApp mobile number, and you can receive a WhatsApp template to see whether the template message you are sending to your customers is right or not. So here I'm going to enter my contact's name or my name. So here I have provided my name. Now here I'm going to enter my mobile number. Now I'm going to simply click over the send test message, and here you can see that test broadcast has been sent. So now let's move on towards my WhatsApp to check for it. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp, where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this WhatsApp broadcast message, and this is the same template which I have just selected from my template section. So now you can see that I'm successfully receiving my WhatsApp broadcast. Means now I can schedule it and send to my customers. So here we are getting this option for scheduling the broadcast. So if you want to send this WhatsApp broadcast right now, then you can select this no send instantly, and your broadcast will be sent at that instant time. But if you want to send this WhatsApp broadcast for a specific date or time, or you want to schedule it for further time, then you can just select it, that is yes, schedule for later, and from here you can select the date or time. Now let me select the date as 18th August 2026, and the timing will be 2:15 p.m. So here I have selected it, and now at this time my WhatsApp broadcast will be sent to the particular contact list which I have just selected. And now here we are getting this another amazing feature, that is automatic retry of failed contacts. Suppose you are sending your WhatsApp broadcast to 100 of your customers, but only 90 customers has received that broadcast. Then you can just enable this button of automatically retry failed contacts, and now the WhatsApp broadcast will be sent again after this wait time to the failed contacts. Means those remaining 10 contacts are going to receive this WhatsApp broadcast after this wait time. So this is an amazing feature which will let all your customers get this WhatsApp broadcast message. And now at last you just have to select this add broadcast button, and your broadcast will be added successfully. And here my broadcast has been successfully scheduled, and you can check the status of this broadcast once it is live by simply selecting this view stats button. And here you can check out the total broadcast sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored, or the failed ones too. So now from here you can get your broadcast report. So now you can see that by using this amazing automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow, you can create WhatsApp broadcasts so easily and can send it to hundreds or thousands of your customers at a time. And you are getting an option for checking your broadcast report. So now you don't have to do anything manually, because this automation tool is going to perform all your manual tasks for you. So what are you waiting for? Grow your business by broadcasting the offers provided by you. And for that, make sure to use Pabbly Chatflow, and don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT before buying Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.